to track orders on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to track orders on your Amazon account. So first of all, just open your Amazon account, and after that just simply click on the U section from the bottom of the screen in the menu section, and after that from there you will be able to see a bunch of different options like your order, buy again, your account and list. Just simply click on your orders, and over here you will be able to see the list of the orders that you have purchased in the past, and also the list of the order that you have purchased and they are in the transaction and they are yet to be delivered to your doorstep. So in order to track the particular order that you have bought from your Amazon account, you need to click on that particular product that you want to track, and after that you need to see whether the product has been shipped or not. If the product has been shipped, the estimated delivery date will be showing on your screen right there, and if the product has not been shipped, you won't be able to see the estimated delivery date for that. And once you see the estimated delivery date, then you will be able to track your order properly. So this is basically how you will be able to track your order on your Amazon account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.